Bitcoin update. So before starting the update, I'm actually totally pissed off over here because a lot of people, a lot of analysts, a lot of bearish indicators, a lot of bullshit around the market, a lot of FUD. So what is actually going on in the market? Like why people are calling it bearish? A lot of news, bearish news, everywhere bearish. It's just a single candle, it's single day. 60,000, we were hit by a FUD, and then it's 54, we're above 54, $53,000. We're above $53,000 support. Even if it goes 50,000, I'm still bullish. But what happened? That's the question, right? The only thing which is bearish over here is the global market. The global market took a crash because there's a new strain found in South Africa. This isn't a bearish indicator for long term. The world has been evolved, it's adapted to it. This is a single day, it's a short term, we call it 1 or 2 days short term. So this is just a short term indicator. We had seen a lot of news, a lot of analysts calling, okay, now we're bearish, we're going back to 30s. Based on what? Based on what actually? Bitcoin is about support, it's holding good. The global market will bounce. We will have a strong bounce from here. It's obvious. It's not that okay, there's new strain again, we're gonna pack our bags, go sit at home, the market is gonna close. No, it's not gonna happen again. There's nothing like as such. Bitcoin is strong. We're above 53,000 support. We will bounce from here. The global market will bounce. If the global market doesn't bounce, if it just moves sideways, even if it moves sideways, Bitcoin will bounce because there isn't anything bearish about Bitcoin. Only bearish thing is from the global market. Now, from trading point of view, so what we're looking over here is Bitcoin is holding about the 53,000 support, and we might see VIX up to 50,000, and it can move at this range to until global market starts moving sideways or we see a bouncing global market. For position, it's always good to have low leverage. You can open low leverage longs from 53,000, and we will see a good bounce in ELTs even if Bitcoin stays at this zone 55,000, 56,000, because during this FUD, like during this dump, ALTs bled more than 10%, 10 to 15%. You had seen few ALTs, and when we see a bounce, we are going to see a bounce of 20 to 25% easy on any ALTs. So whenever a FUD is hit in the market, we have to understand why was it hit. This time, if anyone says it's all unnecessary in the market currently, the news, you have to just ignore it totally, and only thing is you have to keep an eye on the global market. And obviously for short term, it's disturbing. We know there's a new strain from South Africa, okay, and it's, you have to take it inside. You have to work on how to adapt over it, and the market will have a bounce. And I don't think it's going to repeat something like we had in 2020. The world has adapted, and I hope you guys stay away from negative FUD, and we are still bullish. We're still about the support. Thank you guys.